Well, President Trump is appearing to blame the court system after a federal judge temporarily blocked his effort to shut down the Obama-era DACA program. I'm joined now by Judge Andrew Napolitano, Fox News senior judicial analyst. This has been a hot topic. We know that the president met bipartisan-wise at the White House with leaders yesterday, and so we're talking all about Dreamers. And the president now says that the opposing side, meaning Democrats, always like to run to the Ninth Circuit. Why?
Well, he's right about those who want to challenge his use of executive authority like to run to the Ninth Circuit. Just by history and tradition, the Ninth Circuit has been the most liberal circuit in the federal system. There are 13 circuits. The Ninth Circuit is physically the largest. It's the 15 westernmost states in the United States. But it really depends upon where the first case is filed. And the people who are challenging this, I'm going to give you the name of the person who challenged it in a second, filed it in California. Her name? Janet Napolitano, no relation. But as the president of the University of California, she's arguing that the order she signed when she ran DHS in the Obama years should still be the law and not the Donald Trump version of it. Here's why President Trump should not be upset.
And let's slow down for a second, because the people are just retuning in after going to get their Pepsi or Coke. The judge now wants to block the president being able to do what?
The judge ordered, a federal judge in San Francisco late last night ordered that DACA stay in place until the conclusion, this is a preliminary ruling, it's not a final ruling, until the conclusion of litigation that is in front of him or Congress rewrites the law, whichever happens first. So yesterday, when President Trump met with all those people in the 55-minute captivating give and take. Correct.
Amazing.
Correct. Senator Feinstein said, but Mr. President, DACA's going to expire in a month and a half. We have to rule right away. Guess what? DACA just got a reprieve. DACA's going to be there until June. So if the judge gives you a lemon, Mr. President, make lemonade. You now have, instead of 45 days, you now have 5 months in which to craft comprehensive immigration reform, and DACA stays in place during that 5-month period.
So why did the judge do this?
Because he found that President Trump's statements in tweets and elsewhere, like, I love the Dreamers and want them to stay, was so inconsistent with what the Justice Department was arguing before him that the government is speaking out of both sides of his mouth, so he's going to hold everything in place until he can decide what the law is. Congress can rewrite the law before the judge even finishes his case.
Look at that. That is wild. Judge Napolitano, look at you. So smart.
It's a pleasure to be with you.
Real quickly, what do you think will happen?
Congress will craft a comprehensive immigration reform that will include protection for the DACA folks, that will upset some Democrats and some Republicans, but the majority of both houses and both parties and the president will go for it, and it will happen before this California case is resolved by this judge.